Hello everyone, welcome to Rob's Repairs. Today I got a good one for you. You guessed it, working on this trailer. Yeah, basically gonna black star this trailer, and I already did black star on the inside here. I didn't do this part yet, but I did this part and this. Not the top though. So you can see the difference. You got the bare metal, and then you got everything else covered with black star. I ran out. I just got some more of it, so we're gonna go ahead and do this whole trailer. So what I ended up doing is basically it looked like this, all scaly. This must be undercoating and rust. I'm replacing this back piece too, by the way. It's all holy, so it's got to go. So all these runners looked just like that. So I took a grinder, a wire wheel, and I beat it. Tried to knock some of that rust off with a hammer. Got underneath it the best I could. Yeah, there's some spots that need some attention, but all in all, it's pretty much ready for black star. I sandblasted the inner axles, as you can see, and they're gonna get black star. They were pretty rusted, so I just wanted to make sure we got them. And I did this side too. So I'm gonna go ahead and black star. I'm gonna fix this. I don't like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix what I need to fix. Then I'm gonna black star all the rungs. I'm gonna do all the suspension parts, and then we're gonna do some replacing of the metal, and then I'm gonna paint it with chassis black, and that's it. Now this part here, I haven't chassis blacked yet, so we sandblasted as much as we could, but that's as good as it's gonna get. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I was doing, and yeah, we got a lot of work, but I'm just gonna concentrate on chassis black and the inside of it. Don't want to get overwhelmed. And then I'm going to do the outside. As you can see, the outside's pretty crusty. I'm just gonna grind it, wire wheel it, and chassis black it, the whole thing. And then of course black star, and then chassis black. So yeah, this is what you either go out and buy a brand new one, or you go fix it yourself. So I got new pieces for this. I'm gonna plasma cut this out of there, get a new piece welded in with a light hole, and let her rip. So anyway, I totally appreciate you guys liking and subscribing on some of my videos, and yeah, please like and subscribe if you like the content. That's gonna definitely help me grow my channel. So we're gonna go ahead and do some black starring, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'm not going to time lapse it or anything. I'll give you an idea how long it's going to take. So I'll tune back in when I get it black starred. Okay, just a quick update. I'm brushing on this much, and then I did 1, 2, 3, 4 rungs, and I did this inner part. You can see I got some remnants there. It took 1 quart so far of this spray bottle. Got this spray bottle at Menards. Make sure it says chemical resistant. So yeah, working with the Black Star again. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the rungs, the inner axles and outer axles, which I didn't even touch these things with anything, because they recommend, they say you don't have to do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray everything that you see, just the middle sections here, and then I'm gonna continue grinding this stuff, and I'll get some Black Star on that after the center is dry. Just a quick update. I'll tune back in a bit. Okay, I just got the last little bit done here. That's kind of what it looks like when it's going on. It looks kind of like you're washing a car, all sudsy. But make sure you use your brush and get it in there. Rub everything good that you want to get on, and walk away and let it dry. Let's see what it looks like in the front of it where I started. It's looking pretty good, looking good, looking good. It's almost dry up in here. It looks like areas that, you know, you can always come back over and touch them up, but these areas here look like I didn't get them, so I'm going to go ahead and touch them up before the end of this job. Try to do a good job. Don't get overwhelmed. Do everything in sections. So I'm actually going to let this sit. I'll just let it sit for now. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to grind the inner structure here all the way around. And I'm going to Black Star it. I'm just going to work on the inside, get it done. And maybe I'll do the outside of the fenders at the same time. But mainly stay on the inside, get it all Black Starred. And, you know, then maybe I'll start on the outside and Black Star it. Get it ground down. And get all the flaky rust off it, that kind of stuff. But do it in sections, otherwise you get overwhelmed, you know. And then the job will just eat at you. So this is kind of what I'm using. I'm using this. This doesn't really work that good. This is like after you do this, you're gonna grind the surface stuff off with this, and then I come back over with this, blow it off, and then put the Black Star on top of that. So that's kind of what we got right now. It's a project. Yeah, and I'm gonna replace this back piece, so that's gonna be a whole nother video on how I do that. It's gonna be a piece of cake. I got a plasma cutter and I got the metal already, so we'll get her done. Gonna make this taillight pocket here. They put this piece on, but they didn't fix this. So I'm going to cut all this off and make a new one here. But, you know, that's another day, another project. Don't get overwhelmed. Like I say, man, this thing's going actually faster than I thought it was going to go. And yeah, I don't want to get overwhelmed. So anyway, I'm going to grind this whole tongue section all one. Maybe I'll sandblast a little bit where I need to, where I can't get the grinder. I'm going to sandblast and do a good job. And I'll do the best I can do, and that's it. Done deal. So anyway, I hope you guys like the content. Please like, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Like I say, I got a couple new subscribers last video. So I totally appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.